So your mom decides to give you an allowance for doing your chores. She decides to give you 1 penny on the first day, 2 pennies on the second day, 4 pennies on the third day, and so on. If your allowance continues to increase in this fashion, how much money in dollars and cents will you have earned in 2 weeks, which would be 14 days? Okay, so this you need to identify first of all as a geometric sequence because you are multiplying by something to get to the next number. Okay, because 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and etc. So you're multiplying by 2. So it's geometric series, and with this, you're trying to find the sum of this geometric sequence. So we have a formula that you need to have memorized, so make sure you know this formula. As you see it right here, where the sum of some number of terms is equal to the first term times 1 minus the common ratio to the n power, and then all that over 1 minus r. So your first term is 1. You start with 1 penny. Your r is your common ratio, which is what you're multiplying by to get to the next term. So it's 1 times 2, which is going to be 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So your common ratio, you're multiplying by 2, so it's 2. Okay, n is the number of terms that we are trying to add together. So we are adding together the money earned over 14 days, so n will be 14 in this case. So we just plug everything in. We have 1 times 1 minus 2 to the 14th power over 1 minus 2. So we just solve this, and we're going to get eventually $163.83.